Hi, this is Josephine here. I want to show you how to do a voice recording if you want to do a, say, radio show activity in your classroom. This is how to do. The first thing you do is search for the voice recorder app in your laptop. So that's the voice recorder, hopefully opening, and you start. Hello, this is a voice test for a voice recording video. This is a test. Just close that. Now just play it for see if it's recording. Now the next thing is you're going to send it so that you have access to the actual thing, the actual recording itself. This is it here. If you're gonna send it to yourself, and you're actually gonna open that. You open it. Here it is there. After that, you send it to yourself, or if you get an email, send it to yourself. Okay, so I'm just gonna discard it for now. Once you have access to that, you can use it to broadcast, or if you want an easier one, you can open up a Facebook Messenger, but some people don't want to actually broadcast on Facebook because they don't have a Facebook account.